The shepherd earns his living with stick, Karadov earns with his wife's leg. If you ask from famous horse breeder at the Hippodrome, do you know Gelly Karadov, you will get an answer, the thief of horses. If you somehow start conversation about him, nobody will say any good word. But if you give the floor to himself, he will sing like a nightingale, retells his biography as the life of the nation's hero and brag. There is a Turkmen proverb, "Let's take my property, but not mine." Gelly Karadov reminds over and over again that he has lost his mind long time ago. And the evidence of this is the silly slanders, praises about himself and his beloved wife. As in the accepted phrases, the one poor in wit, rich of gossip, a fool has long tongue. The video devoted to his and his wife's divine love before the new year is the disgrace of a madman. For Turkmen it is a laughing stock. But the people who will see this for the first time without knowing Karadov may say, what a happy pair. In this fiction reminding love from the Indian movie, wife of Gelly Karadov looks more humane and brave than famous Mother Teresa. And the most ridiculous, that this woman is the keeper of the family, with quality of the hero and brave fighter. Oh, ignorant Karadov, where and when it was seen in Turkmen custom that woman protects family. If only there is no man in the family, it could be. So, aren't you a man? On this matter there is a Turkmen proverb, clever man praise his friend, imbecile his wife, and fool himself. Here you have exposed yourself as fool and stupid. If we have look, your former wives look more courageous. They have kept honor and dignity of the family, have grown up children whom you have thrown, have educated them. Yulia has proved her worth at that very day, when she was destroyed the family and has married to 3 times divorced and much more elder man than her. She is your owner who manages you like a dog and separated from your children, relatives, cause them pain and suffering. Or she is control panel, and Karadov, TV. She watches any channel she wants. Karadov, blinded by warm embrace of the spouse, so far believes in his divine love and loves manipulate himself. Imagine how many bees eat the nectar of his flower when he was in prison. Despite grey hair, Karadov has not grown wiser. He blindly trusts infidelity of this intriguant. It seems still he does not understand that Yulia has not married for love, but for money, and now uses him to earn money. Man is a man by his woman, and woman makes a man as a black soil. I would not be mistaken if I say that she already has buried you. As for me, he should look after his children, instead of caring about mother and brothers of the woman who separated her husband from his motherland and relatives. Of course, it is good to take care of children which Yulia gave birth, but it is meanness to forget another kids you have. To make them orphan, to value warm embrace of the woman more than honor is also meanness. And one more thing you say, the shepherd earns his living with stick, you earn with your wife's leg.